So we're running a few minutes late for our...
Turn left onto Eklund Street, then turn left onto Grand Canal Place.
You heard her. For our Guinness tour. Well, actually, it's self-guided, so... And it's Monday. Doesn't appear to be a lot of people queuing up anywhere around here, so... I think we'll be good. Coming into it.
Turn left onto Market Street South, then your
360
destination will be on the left.
Restaurant, that's like the last thing you see. Where are we getting our steps in today? So these self-guided tours essentially just follow the arrows. First thing we come across is a cafeteria. So we just work. Very nicely decorated for the holiday. There's my little guy. Come in here with me. Come here. Come here. Oh, look. I'll give you a pussy. So when these light bulbs light up, it gives you the outline of a heart. Would help if they all lit up. There we go. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Pretty friggin' cool. All right, I'm sold. a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yay!
Thank you for sharing a drink and a chocolate. Safe travels onwards, or as we say in Ireland, good night, on Pohara. May the road rise to meet you. Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, so towards the end here now, it's time to head upstairs to the Gravity Bar and grab our pint. Thank God this is a Monday, because it's only busy as opposed to swamped. We were here over the weekend. I don't think you would be able to move in here. But they are right, you do get a good view up here. Here comes the Guinness. That's it for our visit to the Guinness warehouse. Definitely one of the most fun things we did here in Dublin. And you can see we're exiting the gift shop. We both bought t-shirts. You get the black one, I hope. I told him, get black, it's slimming. What did he do? He got green. Too many black t-shirts. Well, there's a reason. They're slimming.
I know.
After a 20-minute walk back to our humble abode here above the Forno 500 restaurant, just waiting for my little guy to catch up. There he is, because he has the key. A couple hours, and then we go out for dinner at that Italian place.
Want me in it?
Our last night in Dublin, and we just did a walkthrough to see where we're going to be taking the bus at essentially 4:27 in the morning here. So we'll leave our Airbnb around 4 or so. And now we're on our way for our 7 o'clock dinner reservation. But I mean, the city is just looking so pretty, lit up at night. I mean, this is I think they call this the Bank of Ireland. I'm not sure. But how pretty is this? So right now, we are on our way to dinner at La Caverna Italian restaurant for our farewell dinner here in Dublin. And I booked this because Steve loves
Yeah, but I want a corned beef, traditional Irish meal, but we're not doing it.
He wanted corned beef.
Next time.
No, I'm pretty sure he did it. Very reminiscent of what was it, Madrid? Okay, so here we are at La Caverna. This is our last night in Dublin. Here with my sexy little guy for our last night in Dublin. And we were fortunate enough to wind up in the wine cellar here at La Caverna, which is what I wanted when I booked this months ago. And I even called them from the States to make sure, and they said, well, you know, it's Christmas season. If we can get you down there, we will. If we can't, I'm sorry, we'll get you upstairs. And I was okay with that, but so here we are. Looking forward to dinner.